Hey, welcome out here. Quite the blizzard we got going on. How long is this thing gonna last anyway? Don't try these roads with a minivan yet. Not many plows have been moving. Can hardly see quarter mile. And we're pretty sheltered here with all these trees. No, the ditch is getting kind of full again. We just cleaned it out. Now it's full again, so if the water comes, then it'll all plug up. See if I can even get to my cows. Meadowlark is braving the winter storm. I think he likes that I came and fed the cows and gives some food for him too. That snow just keeps building.